No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So as you've probably seen on Instagram and Facebook, I just refreshed my wheels, repainted them in white, but you can see the paint didn't take. Now, I don't know if I didn't prep them properly or whether it was the cold weather, but this is only a few miles. They're totally naffed. Look, you can see chips, you can see I tried to touch them up. They just look awful. But Dee had her wheels fully refurbed by Wheel Revive. You can see they did an absolutely epic job with her wheels. So I'm hoping they can help me with mine. So off we go to Wheel Revive down in Bognor Regis. So Wheel Revive offer a drop-off service where you can leave your car with them. You book it in, they put it up on stands, they take the wheels off for you. Or you can take your own wheels off and just drop them to them. So they offer a full range of finishes. Obviously you can see a matte finish, the gloss finish. I'm interested in white because I think white wheels on the Mad 350 looks absolutely fantastic. Well, they're going to help me out. They're going to fix my mistake. But you know something? I wanted to show you the full process of how these wheels are done because I really didn't realise how much is actually involved.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no signs. Well, it'll be alright, you just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams and you feel like you're losing belief.
Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong when it all falls apart and goes wrong. When you feel let down and so lost, and it feels like you can't hold on. Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong, 'cause sometimes things go wrong, and one day everything's gone, but you can make it out and move on. So damn it, you just gotta stay strong.
You know that it sucks and it hurts. It's like you've been cursed by the world at its worst. I'm sorry, I know you can't see it, but maybe all these things happen to you for a reason. So stay strong and push through it. Your willpower is everything you got, don't lose it. And one day things will get better. You just gotta get through the stormy weather. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams and you feel like you're losing belief.
Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong when it all falls apart and goes wrong. When you feel let down and so lost, and it feels like you can't hold on. Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong, 'cause sometimes things go wrong, and one day everything's gone, but you can make it out and move on. So damn it, you just gotta stay.
And check out how amazing these rims look. They're like brand new. They are gorgeous. Talking about brand new rims, check out the Mad 350 rims. They look fantastic. Well, they don't just do wheel refurbing. They also do tyre fitting, balancing, new and part worn tyres, TPMS services, wheel straightening, crack repairs, wheel accessories. They do so much. Okay, so you can see Wheel Revive did an absolutely amazing job on my wheels and saved the day for me. If you need your wheels refurbing, repairing or anything like that, please do give them a call. The number's down here. And well, I hope to see you in another video soon. Hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and we'll see you again soon. Let's go.